So Amy, it's so good to see you. I remember you when you just came to Fastispeed. You were so shy. Oh my word! Now look at Amy, the leading front-end developer for the newspaper, part of Fastispeed brand. So Amy, what made you want to work with Fastispeed?
Um, just trying out to really what's really what's basically to do with company really like newspapers and graphic design and drawing and all sorts really web development and I just like it. I
Uh,
just like it
uh,
and putting products on the websites and everything.
Thank you so much, Amy. What would you say to clients who want to use our services? What would you tell them?
Um, Probably have a chat with them and make notes and have probably advertisements on put them on the webs, web pages and websites, make yourself known to the
Oh,
company.
oh, thank
Yeah.
you, Amy. Still shy as usual. We're putting her on the spot, so don't you worry, folks.
Yeah.
Amy is brilliant at her graphic design and
Yeah.
front-end development. She is absolutely phenomenal. Thank you, Amy, once again.
Okay.
Really appreciate you coming over, and thanks again.
Okay.
There you have it, folks. Fast high speed leading the trend. Thank you. To so, hi, Crystal. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming over. How are you doing?
I'm okay.
Oh, excellent. There you have it, dear folks. This is Crystal. She is one of the leading editors in journalism here at Fast High Speed. Journalism, you said? Yes, journalism. She is working on as graphic designer, web developer, and doing all kinds of things for the company in the background. Without Crystal, we are lost. So thank you, Crystal. Let me ask you, Chris. What would you say to folks that want to use our brand, want to use Faster Speed? What would you sell them?
We'll sell you websites, products, health, health, health products, and website design.
Oh, excellent. Thank you, dear. See, there you have it. Another person from Fast High Speed, real people doing real work and putting in the hard time and enjoying it. So, do you enjoy your time here, Chris?
Yeah, yeah, I do enjoy my time here.
Uh,
I enjoy working here, and the work is okay.
Oh, excellent. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So there you have it, folks. We've got Crystal on the board with Fast High Speed. Looking forward to see you. As, uh, as usual, we say thank you again to the big team. Big shout out to Crystal from Fast High Speed. Live in 3, 2. Hello, Abdul. How are you doing? I hear that you're doing some fabulous things here at Fast High Speed. From the day you came, you are a trailblazer. So, how are you doing, buddy?
I'm alright, thank you. How are you?
Not too bad, not too bad. So, what are you doing now currently at Fast High Speed?
Right now I'm doing graphic design, some web development, and I'm social media management optimization.
Wow, listen to that, world. Did you hear that? This young man that came in, he could not even lift a keyboard, and suddenly he is a trailblazer.
Yeah.
Welcome to Fast High Speed. So let me ask you something, Abdul. What would you say to people out there in the world? Why would they want to use Fast High Speed?
Fastispeed is a small company with a lot of potential, which I see as well, with a great working team, and I think Fastispeed gives you great value for your money.
Oh, thank you, dear. You have it. Great value for money, right from the horse's mouth, as they would say. And thank you so much again, Abdul. Really appreciate you coming over, sharing your
Thank you.
brief experience with us. I appreciate it. So, folks, there we go. Fast Eye Speed 2. So, Ishmael, thank you so much for coming over. How are you, buddy?
I'm good, good.
Really good to see you. So, Ishmael, I hear you doing some fantastic work here at Fast High Speed. What have you been doing?
Yeah, so Robert, basically my role at Fastispeed is to do the newspaper. Like I write articles and edit articles for the newspaper, and it's all based on healthcare and wellness. And we produce and publish an HCWI newspaper every month based on healthcare and wellness.
Wow. So you're a big journalist as well. Wow.
Yes, at the same time learning journalism.
Excellent, excellent, Ishmael. So you know something, Ishmael. I hear that you're also working with websites as well.
Yes, the company overall, Fastispeed, we do work with websites, we do web development, and obviously we do want to gain clients as well to create websites for them, and create websites and then have dialogue with them and then show them the progress we made with the websites.
Wow, wow, wow. There you have it, folks. So what would you tell customers about Fastispeed? What would you say to them?
What I tell customers of Fastispeed is that we're a company that we do want to gain as many clients as possible, and they come to us with, like, for example, anything like could be web development, graphics, animation, software as a service, so anything like this, and the customers can rely on us, and I'm sure we'll make them proud when we're finished.
There you got it, folks. There you have it from the great Mr. Ishmael, journalist and editor and web developer and trailblazer and everything that you can possibly think that is positive. Young man, well done. Thank you very much. And there we have it. There we have it, folks. Fastispeed. We're ironing again. My word. We have it. Hi, Mohammed. How are you doing, buddy?
I'm good, thank you. How about yourself?
Not too bad, but thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule. We hear you're doing some fantastic work done by Fastispeed here. Oh my word, developing websites, e-commerce sites, all kinds of stuff. So what have you been doing down there, buddy?
So I've been working on an e-commerce website and doing sales as well.
Wow. Have you actually been learning loads of new stuff as well?
Yeah, so before I even came here, I didn't know anything. But as I was working, got used to stuff so I can use like different sites. So I'm using right now, I'm using Photoshop,
Wow.
using WordPress,
Wow.
Elementor,
Wow.
using all of that to combine and create a website.
Wow.
Different types of graphics and stuff involved as well.
Wow. There we have it. So what would you tell customers, potential customers, Mohammed?
Use Fastispeed, what you like doing?
So good, so
And
good.
fund your business.
What did you say, sorry?
We fund your business at the same time.
Wow.
So we're here to help you, not just make your money.
Thank you so much, Mohammed. Really appreciate your time coming over, and especially telling the world that you have actually not just bringing your own talents, but you're learning new talents while you're earning at the same time. So we really appreciate it. So, well, there we go. Fastispeed.